Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cyberspace. This is Lokesh. Actually, this is the first time I'm making a YouTube video. Yes, if you find any difficulties or any mistake, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll rectify it. But I did not find any project with that, including all the files. But I found some of them which doesn't have lack a lot of features, and some of them are having a lot of features, but they cost too much or they are paid. So I want to make this video which is free, and you will get the whole project in the description link, and you can get it through. So let us go into the project. So first of all, let's go for an home page. Yeah, if the user not registered or you wanted to log in, if the user is not registered, then he can register from it. So the sign up or registration form I have been made in such a way that it has 99% validation. So if the user doesn't enter their minimum or maximum character, it displays message. If the user doesn't enter any details in the given block, it also indicates like messages. You can see here, these are the error messages. If the user is already exists, it also displays like yeah. See, it also displays that an account with this user already exists if you like to log in. So if you want, you can log in it. Yeah, on the full name. See, if it consists any numbers or letters only allowed, indicates a message called only letters or allowed. This message can be edited. I will tell you the later part of the video. See, license number contains at least 11 characters. And if I enter something like, see, please specify a valid phone number. Of course, if I enter some digits like some, yeah, see, it will not. Suppose I will come up to 10 digits. Yeah, it doesn't allow until you enter a valid phone number. Something like this. Yeah, you need to have at least 19 years to enter. See, if I enter it 2009, we'd have to have 19 years old. So should at least be. So I have made a validations like this. If you want it, you can make Octo style. See, so you should enter a valid email ID. And here the password. See here, you can see that the password is weak. So you need to enter something. Yeah. Now the password is strong. Could you see that? Yeah. If you wanted this password, you can look it up by pressing this icon. And you need to re-enter the same password. See, please enter the same value again. Yeah. Now the SMS is gone. So accept the terms and conditions. Just sign up. Now we need to verify the email ID. It will just send an Gmail which consisting of the OTP. So it will automatically direct to user-otp.php. Here we can see that we have sent in verification code to your email ID. Just check it out. Now I'll check it out that. See, I have got an email verification code with consist of instance stickers. That is my team name. Let us see. See, it have been sent a verification code. Now I'll copy that and I'll paste it. Before that, I want to introduce about this database too, how it will work. This is the thing I have been inserted right now. See here, we can see that it is not verified, and we can see the same code, just 582029, and we can check it out, consisting of the same thing, 582029, right? So now check it out that and submit it. It just checks whether the code is correct or not, and it will automatically send a welcome page to this email ID. I'll also show that welcome page after completing of this. Yeah, now the welcome page is sent and we are ready to log in user.php. Now let us check it out that welcome page. Go back. Now we can see that here registration is successful. Thanks for choosing something else. Let us see that. Yeah. Now we can see that welcome page, how it was. We can see that thanks for choosing instance because your registration is successful. Yeah. Now let us log in and go to the welcome page, home page, sorry. Yeah, let us say that we have entered the sorry 123 details and tested the date of 123, right? Let us check it out. Here we go. Oh shit, something wrong. Yeah, maybe I entered the wrong password or something. Oh, because there are two usernames, so it automatically change it. Like something else, location 123, right? Okay. Now let's go. Yeah. Now actually we have been entered in the home page. Actually this home page has not been created by me. It was created by TechGeek YouTube channel. Guys, this is the amazing page, but I have been modified some of the features they have been including in that. I have been modified some it to my style. So if you like, you can go into the TechGeek channel and you can get the home page. If you want, you can make it off. So now let us go and book a call. Yeah. So it will be listed in such a way. Now we can go and find call. So when we see here, we can check the availability of car based on its a brand like Toyota, diesel, or location. Now let us search. So we have found one car that is available right now. Yeah. Now let us book that car. Now we can say that we can book. We have vehicle overview as it is on some of this. This is actually created by the Tech Geek channel guy. It was amazing. Now I'll take a date from that. I'll select it today and I'll for 4, right? Now I'll book it. Yeah. See that we have been given an amount and we have been paid. Remember, partner this. And we can enter some code details like something else. And we need to enter something CV. One more thing I want to tell you that these payment details have been not been validated and I have not created any database to store these payment details. Now let's go for pay and here you see is the receipt or invoice I have been designer for that. We can see that my logo and the details of my company and the username, email ID, country, and the invoice consisting of the details of the core and order summary, a total amount for, yeah, days I have been from date to date I have been calculated from that, and the total and the details of the date, time, and the message, right? Let us explore some of the features that have been created by TechnoGeek, guys. Yeah, let us go into home. Now let us check it out. See, we can have a lot of features like profile settings, update password, and my bookings, post feedback, and my feedback. The profile setting consisting of like you can store a lot of details. Here, from here, we can have a lot of changes. We can, you need to change your password. Yeah, of course, you can change the password from here, and we can use my bookings to. Yeah, this confirmation will be actually made by the admin guys. I also saw the admin web page that also have been created by TechnoGeek itself. Yeah, we can post a feedback from here on my bookings, yeah, my feedbacks, and we can have also sign it from there. And we can update password from it. I have been sure that. Now let's go for the admin login page. Problem. Yeah, username is admin and password is capital T E S T at the date of 12345. Nope. And if you want to change the admin panel's password, you can change it from here. And you can want to add a new brand, you can enter here. And manage brands, you can manage brands from here itself. And booking, yeah, from here we can have a bookings. Now let us increase to 25. Yeah, you can see that the time I have been booking right now with the location 1 to 3. Let us confirm it. Yes, we can have new locations. We can also manage feedbacks. You can see that. We can also have managed pages. Yeah, I have been user. I have been founder. Here we can post a course if you want it. If you want to manage course, you can manage this. Wow. Thanks to TechnoGeeks, they have been reduced my work a lot. And let us get out of it. And let us see about whether our booking has been confirmed or not. Oh, yes, our booking has been confirmed. Now let us check out log out from this. And now I forgot my password. So what I do? I go for forgot password and there I will enter my email ID. If the user email ID is exists, then only it will go for next. Now we can see that we have sent a password, reset OTP to your email, blue star 1411 something else. Yeah, now let's check it out of email and find it. Yeah, here we have our password reset code is 39 something else. Now we'll have it. And let us check it off the see here. I have a code here that I have been sent through an email ID. Now let us submit, create new password. Before I have been using test, now I will use it hello at the rate of 123. Hello, the rate of 123, and I will change it. Yes, but password change it. Now let us see about the database, how it reflected. Oh, success. I have the password changed and the verify code is 0. Now I will enter my credentials and password. Yes, now I have a login. And here you can see here about the testimonials we have been submitted. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.